Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make and store delicious gravy. Gravy is a wonderful addition to many meals, and it's simpler to create than you might think. We'll begin by gathering our essential ingredients, focusing on those rich pan drippings from your roasted meats. Understanding the basic ratio of fat to flour for your roux is key to a perfect, lump-free sauce. Now let's craft the heart of our gravy, the roux. Start by melting about 1 to 2 tablespoons of fat in a saucepan. Then, whisk in an equal amount of flour to create a smooth paste. This is your roux. Slowly, and I mean slowly, pour in about 2 cups of your chosen liquid, whisking continuously. This constant motion is crucial for a silky smooth gravy without any lumps. Once your liquid is incorporated, bring the gravy to a gentle simmer. You'll notice it gradually thickening as it cooks, which typically takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Keep stirring occasionally to ensure even cooking. This is the perfect moment to taste your gravy and adjust the seasonings. Add salt, freshly ground black pepper, or even a pinch of your favorite herbs to enhance the flavor profile. Proper storage is essential to enjoy your homemade gravy safely. First, cool it down rapidly by transferring it to shallow containers. Once cooled, store your gravy in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will remain fresh for up to 3 days. If you've made a larger batch, you can freeze it in freezer-safe containers for up to 4 months, ready for your next delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.